What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today, as the title says, we're going to do a wiper delete on the car. I know you guys have been going on about it, make the car look better, and I think it would. So I've now done it. We're going to got all the parts, I'm going to get it done, and yeah, hopefully it looks so much better, and hopefully enjoy this video. Cheers guys. There you go, so that's off. Didn't damage anything, which is good. Goes out. This one out. Now I don't know how to get this off, if I'm honest. Assume you just pull it here, it comes off. What a mission. Sorry guys for being so quiet, but I was just trying to concentrate on how to get this done, because I'm quite I don't like to break things. And as you can see from my previous video, I did break something, didn't I? I broke the indicator. I don't know how this all works, but I'm going to take this out. Like that. And then this comes off. Okay, cool, so that's how that comes off. So what I've done is I've put a screw in there, and then obviously I'm going to leave it like that. The screw's in there, no water's going to come through there. This one will come out. There you go. Gonna clean all that up. Obviously I'll clean it all up and finish it up, but that looks good. Much better. It is a frustrating job. I didn't enjoy it at all. The clips were a pain in the ass to get out, but it had to be done. Done it. Honestly, I don't regret it. It looks amazing. So let me just show you what the product looks like now. Well, it's been sitting out for, I think it's been 3 days now, naturally in the weather. I haven't washed the car. The car's still dirty. I'm not able to drive it, and I'll show you why in a sec. For now, let me show you what it looks like without the rear wiper. there guys, that's what it looks like. Hopefully the video was good, and hopefully this kind of helped you, gave you a guideline on how to do it. It's a painful job, but I'm happy with it. I love it, it looks good. And yeah, now it's time to remove. These badges need to come off, but I'll obviously need a heat gun to get these off and get them removed safely, get the car clean. Yeah, okay, that's nothing. And this side needs it too, so we'll have to get that off. So going back to what I was saying to before, the reason why I can't drive the car is because I have no induction kit. So as I mentioned before, I've ordered the induction kit. Awesome GTR did not tell me that when purchasing and paid for, they didn't tell me they had a backlog in order, so I'm still waiting for the induction kit, so I'm not able to drive my car. But stupidly, before I even ordered it, I did sell my Ram Air induction kit I had in before, so stupidly that got sold, so I had to remove it, send it off to the person who bought it, and now I sit without one because yeah, Awesome GTR, great job on that order, but I'm still waiting for it. But once it does come, I will film it. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can order one if you want one. It's a special induction kit. I've gone for the full induction kit from the turbo all the way through down, and it actually comes straight into here, so it'll fit like cushy in here. The reason why I didn't want the Ram Air induction kit was because it sat like this, and I didn't quite like it. Like, I remember when I was a teenager, I used to do my car up and I used to have this induction kit only, and yeah, I just feel now a full induction kit would be so much better, especially if I'm getting a stage 1 remap, and it comes direct air into here straight through. Anyway guys, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching the video. Please, you know what to do, subscribe, hit the like button, and again, I just want to say great thank you for all of you who have followed me and supported me so far. Honestly, there's so much more content to come, but yeah, just your support and your love, really appreciate it. Thanks a lot guys, catch you in the next one. Cheers.
I've got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, baby.